Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 14 how to delete a tweet on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, click on Twitter. Make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then we can tweet if we haven't already. Hello, tweet. And now to delete the tweet, go to the arrow pointing towards the bottom of the screen and then click on delete, or we can go to the tweet itself and then click on the arrow again that points towards the bottom of the screen and click on delete. Delete tweet. This can't be undone and will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any account that follows you, and from Twitter search results. Yes, delete. So the tweet itself has been removed. Command R to refresh, one tweet only. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.